Hyderabad. At least 2 people were killed and 30 injured when a bus fell into Godavari River in Khammam district of Telangana on Thursday, police said. The accident occurred around noon when the state-owned Road Transport Corporation (RTC) bus, with 40 passengers, fell off a bridge. The riverbed where the tumbled over was dry. The injured have been shifted to Badru Alam Area Hospital. The toll may go up as the condition of some of the injured is said to be critical. The bus was going to Badru Alam from Khammam town. Telangana's Transport Minister Mahendra Reddy has ordered a probe into the accident and directed the district collector to ensure the injured get best medical care.